guys, it's a girl Ari and my dog Hazel. I just got my dog. Not well, my dad got it for me, so a surprise. But so I'm gonna show you a bunch of vlogs. First, get the camera. Get out the camera, mi amor. Get out the camera. She is really trying to. So, as you can see, she's a biter. But it doesn't hurt. So the first toy she really hates and beats up, but is this monkey. Come here, Hazel. She's scratching herself right now. She is really annoyed by me. I don't know why, but I don't know. Hazel. 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 My auntie really named her Hazel. Oh my god, look, she's fighting it. She's fighting it, y'all. Come over here. Yo, she is really going in. She hates this thing. She wants to beat it up. She loves playing with it though. Yo guys, so this is my dog Hazel. Or this is my dog Hazel. It's actually a family dog, so I can't really say it's she's growling, y'all. What's up? Action. Look at her. I put my hand out. So Hazel, let go. Okay. Let go, Hazel. Oop, oop. Let go. On to the next toy, Hazel. Long dangy thing. No. She wants that gorilla. So, the other toy she plays with. Oh, look, she coming for it. When I squeeze it, she came for it. There's this long dangy thing. I think it's a worm or a dog. Flathead dog. She has a lot of toys, but this is just some of her toys that she plays with. Because this is her, but she has a lot of toys. But this toys that we just play with a lot every day. Yo, she is really going in on this purple thing. The next thing I really like personally is my favorite one. My favorite one is this one. Pink one. She had she had broke the back squeakers. So it don't squeak in the back, only squeaks in the front. But still love the feeling of it. Here's some live action of her. Oh, get Hazel. She is feisty and she likes to run her bed. But my grandma took all the hair out of it. So those are her toys she likes. She had took the other toy over there. Look, guys. So look. I'll put you on camera. So as I walk in over here, she's following me, of course. Okay. Then this is her least favorite toy. She only sleeps with this. I don't know why. Hazel. Hazel. You want it? She's like here for it. Look. Then her two where she chews on these two things is more in my father's room, but yeah, these are just the two ones in this room here. So this is the two ones. Gasa. Okay, guys, peace out. Love you guys. Hope you like this video. I do a house tour in my house. My grandma leaves